Subhanallah. Subhanallah. Listen to the ocean. Listen to the waves crushing. Look up. Look at the creation of Allah Azza wa Jal. Look at the billions of grains of sand that you are sitting on. And look at the trees that surround us. All of His creation. Be it the earth, be it the ocean, be it the trees, be it the animals, be it insan, be it the jinn, be it the prophets, be it the angels, be it Jibreel, be it Israfil. Everything is dead except Allah Azza wa Jal. Everything is dead. Everything is dead except Allah Azza wa Jal. Nothing moves, nothing stops, nothing makes, and nothing breaks except by His will. His creation is perfect. His Nabi is perfect. His deen is perfect. His rahmah is perfect. And my brothers, His punishment is perfect. On the day of judgment, when all of man, from Adam to the last of them, will stand in front of Allah Azza wa Jal, and all of the jinn, they will stand in front of Allah Azza wa Jal on a day that is 50,000 years long. The sun will be a mile on top of your heads, and we will be drowning in our own sweats. And Allah Azza wa Jal will call. He will call for Narrated Jahannam to be brought forward. He will call upon the angels to bring forward Hellfire. Picture this. Picture this. 70,000 ropes. Each rope has 70,000 angels. That's 4.9 billion. 4.9 billion angels. And they will drag Nar Jahannam forward. They will bring it as they have been commanded. They will bring it forward. And we will be watching. We will be watching. When Nar Jahannam sees the disbelievers and the sinners for the first time, it will burst in anger. It will burst in anger. Such a sound that the 4.9 billion angels will let go of the ropes when it sees the disbelievers and the sinners for the first time. Allah Azza wa Jal says in the Quran that everything, man, jinn and angels, when Nar Jahannam will burst, everything will fall to its knees. Everything will fall to its knees. But that's not the scary thing. Allah Azza wa Jal is promising Nar Jahannam that you will be full. I will fill you up. Halim talaqti, He says to it. Are you full? Is there any more room? And it says to him, Al min mazid, bring it on. Is there any more? Is there any more? This is what I was designed for. This is what I was created for. Bring them on. Is there any more? Allah is perfect in everything He does. He is perfect in His creation. He is perfect in His rahmah. And He is perfect in His punishment. Oh, you who believe, save yourselves and your families from hellfire. its fuel will be men and stones. Do not delay. This is the time